how to pay Canadian Tire credit card. So I'm going to show you a few different options. If you want to pay your credit card, you can do this through online banking. You can make a payment through your online banking account, and here's how you do it. You log into your online banking account, the one you use for bill payments. Navigate to the bill payment section. Then you add Canadian Tire Bank or Triangle MasterCard as a payee. Enter your credit card number found on your Canadian Tire credit card when prompted, and then you enter the payment amount and confirm the transaction. You can also do this through the Triangle app or website. You will download the Triangle app or go to the Triangle website, log into your account using your username and password, and then select payments or a similar option from the menu. Choose your payment method, enter the amount, and submit your payment. You can also do it through telephone banking. You can pay your Canadian Tire credit card via your bank's telephone banking service. You will call your bank's telephone banking service number. The number is usually found on the bank's website or your bank statements. Follow the prompts to make a bill payment, add Canadian Tire Bank or Triangle MasterCard as a payee, and provide your credit card number and payment amount when prompted. And the last option that I'm going to show you is in person at a bank. You can visit your bank in person to make a payment. You'll go to your bank branch, provide the teller with your Triangle MasterCard account number and the payment amount, and they will process the payment for you. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.